Hey there, let's talk about brand identity. Ever wondered why some brands just have that certain something that makes them unforgettable? That's the magic of a well-crafted brand identity, the essence of a consistent brand identity, and why it matters more than ever. It's not just a logo or a color scheme. It's the visual and emotional embodiment of your brand. It's what sets you apart in a sea of options. From the fonts you choose to the images you use, every detail contributes to your brand's personality. Visual consistency is utterly important to all kinds of brands and businesses. Consistency breeds familiarity, and familiarity breeds trust. When your audience recognizes your brand elements across various touch points, be it your website, social media, or packaging, it builds a sense of reliability and authenticity. Look at brands like Apple, Nike, and Coca-Cola. Their logos, colors, and messaging are consistent no matter where you encounter them. This consistency isn't accidental. It's strategic. A solid brand identity guideline is the North Star of your branding journey. It outlines everything from logo usage to typography, ensuring everyone on your team is on the same page. This guide is a compass guiding your brand through a crowded marketplace. Think of your brand identity as a story, one that evolves and grows with your brand. A memorable logo, an inspiring color palette, and a clear voice. These elements unify your brand's message, leaving an indelible mark on your audience. Crafting a consistent brand identity isn't just design work. It's an investment in your brand's future. It's about understanding your audience, knowing your values, and translating that into visuals that resonate. So, my fellow designers, remember this. Brand identity isn't just a logo. It's the heart and soul of your brand. It's your design legacy.